guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is another video in the Made Up in May series. So if you would like to see how I did this black smoky eye, then please keep on watching. So I'm using the Colourpop single pan shadows today. I'm basically using browns and like a variation of browns and a black. And then on the inner corner I will be using one that's like a white gold reflect to it. So any colours that you've got similar to that, if you do want to recreate this look, everyone's got, you know, different shades of browns and black, so you can use anything. The first shade I'm going to go in with is called Little Boat. So I'm just going to buff this above my crease. This is a Kit Stars N30 small tapered blender brush. Then taking a Spectrum A12 pencil brush, I'm then going to go in with Roundhouse, which is a really deep dark brown. And incidentally as well, I now have a coupon code for Spectrum, which is Bubbly Bex, all in capitals and all one word. It's not an affiliate or anything, it is just a discount code. I don't get anything from it, but it will save you 20% at checkout. In with my Kit Stars N30 brush, and then I'm going to take some more of Little Bowl and just buff along the edges of round. Back in with Roundhouse. So taking a My Defining Crease brush, this is a 1.3, it's just a thin blender brush. It's just a bit bigger than my Precise Crease, which I really like. And I'm going to take the shade Koi, which is like a burnt orange, just a tad. And I'm putting this Koi, just blending out Little Boat. And then I'm going to repeat my stages, so I'm going to go in with the medium brown. Orange. Taking a clean blender brush, this is a BO6 brush by Spectrum. I'm going to blend out my edges so everything is nice and smooth. Right, then taking a flat shader brush, this is a Morphe M167, any flat shader brush will do, and the shade Let's Do It, which is black. Again, I'm using Colourpop. I am going to pack that all over my lid. Now, if you want to, you can use a black base, so a gel liner, or one of the NYX jumbo pencils, a kohl pencil. P. Louise does the black base, like, you know, her Ruma base, but in black. So anything, if you want to use that, you can. I just prefer going straight in with shadow, and I build it up that way. Just because I find sometimes I get a line even with blending loads, so I like to do it this way. But if you want a really black lid, then, you know, go in with the base. It doesn't matter how many times you go back in with your black, just build it up as much as you want to build it up. And it sounds daft, but you can get rubbish blacks, so do like try to use one that is opaque. Urban Decay Blackout is really good. Anastasia Beverly Hills Noir is good. I'm not that keen on the Makeup Geek one, but if you can make it work, I've heard people do like that one. So find a black that works for you, because some don't have the pigmentation, and once you get them on the lid, they're quite grey, as weird as it sounds. So I'm going to go around my edges with that, where the Roundhouse meets the black, and literally just tickle the edges. And I'm going to go in with Little Boat, which was my medium brown shade, just to smooth out the edges. Right, so I've cleaned up my under eye and put some more concealer under there, so that can be a base for my shadows to grab onto. I'm going to take the Zoeva Graphic Eyes Black Kohl pencil. This is, it's called Black to Earth and it's the waterproof eyeliner. And I'm going to do my tight line and waterline. And when I do my waterline, I'm going to smudge it just in between my lashes, because I want to make sure that there's no skin showing. And then taking a flat brush, this is a Molly O'Brien 09 brush. I'm just going to buff out that black pencil. Using that same Molly O'Brien brush, I'm going to go in with the dark brown again, which was called Roundhouse, on top of the black coal. Cleaning off the same brush, I'm going to take the black and I'm going to dab it on my actual waterline just so I can set the pencil. Taking a Spectrum A13, this is just a flat smudger brush. I'm going to take Little Boat, which was the medium neutrally brown, and I'm going to use that to blend out this bottom lash line. Buff along the line better because the shadow's down and then it merges those two colours together. And then taking the same My Kit Co, my defining crease brush that I used on the top lid, I'm going to take that Koi shade and put it along the bottom. And the way I do it as well is little and often, so I'm like constantly blending, dab, blending, dab. Taking the My Kit Stars N30 brush, which I use for that medium brown, I'm going to run that along the bottom, all across the top. No additional product, it's just what was left on it. I just want to merge the two sides together. Right, so because obviously I've used such dark colours, I have got a little fall down. This is why I did my eyes first, so you just slowly wipe that away. I don't really usually show this part because it's boring, but just so you know that I do clean it up. And I get right to the start of my shadow because I'm then going to add it back in with my concealer and foundation anyway, and then I rebuff the lightest shade, which would be that orangey Koi shade. So I'm going to go and do the other eye and finish the rest of my face, and I will back show you the final look. Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? I love how it came out. I just really wanted to try a black smoky eye again and show you my tips on how I do it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also let me know if there's any particular look you want to see on my channel or in this series, and I will try to do that for you. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Have a great day. Bye guys.